Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we're looking at this Dutchmen Voltage toy hauler. This is the 3800. We'll roll the intro and get right into it.
Got an RP review. Come and hear what I say. From the bedroom to the kitchen, all the nooks and crannies. Tune in every Wednesday. It'll be amazing. Walkthrough Wednesday. Come take a tour. Check every feature and do what though. Walk through Wednesday. Hit the road with me. Tune in every Wednesday. It'll be amazing.
Okay, pretty common with most toy haulers. You got the door in the back here. This is prepped with a backup camera up top. Coming up to the, what I like to call the non-camp side or the service side, where there is a 30-gallon 30-gallon gas tank. This here is gas gauge for it. You can start and stop your fuel pump. And inside here is a fuel station with the hand pump in it. You got a sewer port there. Dual axle on this one. It's not a real heavy unit, so just dual axles on it. And there are slide toppers at the top. The little silver thing, that's a vent for your toy where you can get the garage to vent through. That's coming around the front. You got another gray and black here. So there's gray and black for the front, for the bathroom and for the kitchen. This one back here is going to be the black for the rear bathroom, the half bath. So all that water goes into one black tank for that. There are your pulls for the black tank. So you got your gray and black pulls. 50 amp service there. Fresh water connection. Black tank flush. City water connection. So this one is just gravity fill. So you just put a hose into here. That'll fill up your fresh water tank, which I believe on this is 94 gallons. And that one is your black tank. This is where the city, so if you're at a park, you just hook up there and you've got city water connection. These are ports so you can hook up cable or satellite at the park. This door, we've got a lot of accessories that they left for you. So you've got the cables and such. Shower port, this is a shower port, so the hose is there. This is where your auto level system is located, into there. In here we got one of two 30-gallon LP cans there. Another one on the other side matching. Up front you've got batteries, and there is a 5500 watt awning generator that comes with that. Let me pop that open for you. Alrighty. So generator on that side, battery switch here on this side. Alrighty. Other LP tank over here. Here's the other side of your pass-through. So you've got your charge controller here. You've got your inverter there. Light switches. You've got that's your solar prep. Switches here. 110 outlet. And your on-demand hot water heater. Over here we've got the Suburban furnace. There is a plug here to plug in outdoor plus cable. You can put an outdoor TV out here. Two marine grade speakers here. And this is black tank flush for the half bath to clean that out. That's it for the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, coming up on the unit, you immediately come into the living area. You've got the sofa here. Love the way they do this diamond tuck on it. I believe the center one actually will, nope, all three recliners. So you got triple recliners. The outside are heat and massage, all electric recliners, power. And over here we've got a table and a little half booth for dinette area. TV above that. You've got a cabinet here which can be used as pantry. Only thing I don't like about this is they're all fixed shelves. Kind of wish they had some adjustable shelves in there. And shelving all the way up top here. And I can barely reach into that. But that's going to be a good pass-through storage up there. So definitely need somebody tall to get up into there. Radio here, AM, FM. You got your dual zones, indoors, outdoors. You can Bluetooth to that as well. You can hook a little player up here, HDMI. So you can put a little CD player or DVD player up into there, Blu-ray player. This is your convenience center. You can check your tank levels with that. And, well, somehow you can. Heated tanks, generator start there. Oh, this is disabled because they've got it down here on this. So on this you got, fresh tank is empty. There's a little bit in the black. Grays are empty, batteries are full. Turn your lights on and off. This is where you bring your slides in and out and the awning in and out. Thermostat here. That's going to run your center air conditioner and your furnace. And then the control for your hot water heater. Got some light switches there, GFI controller there. Fireplace down below here. Some more storage area in there. There's all the owner's manuals to it. Some remotes. You got a remote for the fireplace and the surround speakers, radio, the TV, all that into there. Coming up the steps, we're coming into the bathroom. Small little sink there, the glass door shower, and as always guys, you know me, wish there's another shelf in here for small pill type bottles, and nice size shower, sunlight in it, so I got tons of room here, great space there, and everybody's favorite, let's see, that's probably going to be a porcelain. Yep, porcelain foot flush, and that's centered just right and tilted just right. That's definitely all kinds of arm space on that. So most definitely Fluffy certified on this. Let's go take a look in the bedroom. And there is this one slide right here for the bedroom slide, which has got some wardrobe in it. So you've got some hanging wardrobe there. More on the other side, with soft closed doors and 2 drawers, both for the missus. She'll never give me one. Got a spot underneath. The end tables are huge, so you got a lot of side table space there. 110 USB there. Tons of storage up above here and there. Now this is a used model, however this mattress is brand new. The people that owned it used their own mattress and they just kept this in storage. You got more storage up underneath there, and we should have storage up underneath the bed there. Tons of storage in there, huge. Another thermostat in here, that's going to run the air conditioner in here. And then you've got a TV backer here where you can plug in TV there, mount that on the wall. We've got vented. This air conditioner is going to be vented because it goes into the bathroom area. And this one out here I actually think is vented as well throughout the coach. Yeah, this is going to be vented as well. Coming in the kitchen area, nice huge stainless steel sink. Got a range cooktop, dual burner on that, which is Furrion hood range, Furrion microwave, and they're going to make me happy, and they're going to put in a Furrion refrigerator. This I think is a 16 cubic foot. Now why did I say they're going to make me happy? Because guys, I absolutely love it when they put all the appliances the same. Don't know why, OCD in me or whatever it is, but I love it when they do all the appliances the same. Next to the refrigerator here, you've got another pantry. So lots of room into that. And again, fixed shelves only. But, you know, you could put plastic bins in here with some of your stuff in it, and then you can stack one bin on top of the other. So that would be some space saving. Love this. This is real tile. You can tell by how thick this is. That's a real tile backsplash. You've got power stations over here, wireless at the top, 110 and USB on that as well. Another one over there. Tons more. You got another light here I didn't get on. So nice lighting there. Tons more space up into here. More up above the microwave, which is getting up there a ways. And that goes clear back in, so you can put items that you don't use very often back into there. And tons more space up here. So just lots of cabinet space in this. A couple drawers down at the bottom. You've got a nice spot there where you could put cutting boards, cookie sheets, tall standing type items. We've got a pot and pan drawer down below here. And access underneath the sink to all the plumbing and tons more storage up underneath there. Let's go check out this toy garage area. Nice sealed tinted door. This table, when these benches are down, you can put that table in between there, and you got a place you could play cards or have dining area. This is the half bath here. This door folds up out of the way for hauling your toy with it, so it gives you more room to bring stuff up farther. Got a loft up there that nobody's ever used, and this loft bed here still got the plastic on that mattress. So to bring that down, let me see if I can set this. Hold on one moment.
A few moments later.
Okay, so how you would operate this bed is there's two straps on it. You just come back to the back here. They got the pins in it too, and I probably can't reach them. Let's see. No, I can't reach to pull them out, but there's two pins. Then you'll pull this back down, then you'll pull the front down, and that brings that bed down to the level where you could take a little ladder down here on the floor. If you could see that down here on the floor, that's a ladder to reach up either to that bed or to the loft over here. So that's kind of it in the garage area. You do have 3-season doors, actually, and this one should probably have, yep, it does have the deck kit with it as well. So that's kind of nice. That's a railing on your deck, so you can put that up after you get your toy out, if you've got one. If not, you can just set that deck up at any time and turn that into a little party deck. It looks like they had a toy because I do see some tire tracks up on that. So that hasn't been, we just got this in used. It's in immaculate shape. The owners didn't use it much. They decided it was too big for them, and they turned around and traded it in for an ATC towable unit. So guys, we'll go in, we'll sit down at my desk, and I'll get you some numbers on this. Okay, so like I said, this is a used 2024 Dutchmen Voltage. This is the VT3800. This is a used model. I'll go ahead and put a QR code up here on the screen. That'll take you to our website. You can get some more specs and such off there, and a lot of pictures of it on there. Let's get you some numbers. Length on this, I'm showing this listed at 43 foot 4 inches. Height 13.2. Width of it 8 foot 6. Garage length is 14.6. And dry weight is 13,320. GVWR is 16,800, giving you a cargo capacity of 3,420. Hitch weight is 3,000 pounds. Being that it is a toy hauler, like I said out there, you do have a 30-gallon fuel tank on it. All right, fresh tank, 94-gallon. Gray and black are both 88. I have to check that because there should be two. Let's see, there shouldn't be. Or maybe there's 2 gray and 2 black. I'd have to check into that closer. Does have the Suburban on-demand hot water heater, Suburban 35K furnace, 3 air conditioners, all 13.5 BTU, all by Dometic. That refrigerator, like I said, is 16 cubic foot Furrion. That's 12 volt only. It does have a 21 foot awning on it. Does have, this is a 50 amp unit. It's got 200 watts of solar on the roof with the inverter of 2,000 watts and the Onan generator of 5,500 watts. And let's see, The bed is a queen, true queen, 60 by 80. The bunk in the back is also 60 by 80. Plus you got the 2 seats that fold down into another queen, which is 60 by 80. And you got the small bunk up top. TV out in the living room is 50-inch. Booth dinette, theater seating, enclosed underbelly, fireplace. There is washer dryer hookup. I missed showing you that. That's in the toy hauler section. It does have tank heaters. Shows this will sleep 8. There are slide toppers on it. It is prepped for the backup camera. No outdoor kitchen on this one. Guys, that's about all the specs I've got on it. Again, I'll put that QR code back up here. You can go to our website. That'll get you the most current pricing. Also, if you have some questions on it or you need a better price, give me a call. My number I'll put up on the screen here, 319-775-0312. You can reach me at rkolosik@atcrbcenter.com. Also, if you're in the Cedar Rapids, Iowa area, you just want to stop by and take a look at it, give me a call. We can get an appointment set up for that. We're located at 850 66th Avenue, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 52404. As always, guys, happy camping. We'll see you on the next one.